CoConstruct is a game-changing software for builders, and if you're a builder or a contractor looking for tools that will streamline your business and make managing projects a breeze, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 CoConstruct features that every builder should know. Stick around to the end because there's a bonus exclusive offer waiting for you, one that you won't want to miss out on. First up is project management. With CoConstruct, everything about your project is managed in one place, from budgeting to scheduling to communication. You can track all your tasks, monitor progress, and keep everyone on the same page, all without switching between different platforms. It's a central hub for all things construction, and trust me, this will save you hours every week. Next thing, let's talk about client communication. CoConstruct has a feature that allows you to share project details directly with clients in real time. They can see project updates, approve changes, and communicate directly with you without any misunderstandings. This eliminates the back and forth of emails and phone calls, which is critical for keeping projects running smoothly and clients satisfied. The third thing is budget tracking and management. CoConstruct allows you to manage and track project budgets easily. You can monitor expenses, make changes on the fly, and even create custom reports. It helps ensure that your projects stay within budget and gives you and your clients transparency into how the money is being spent. This is a must-have for any builder looking to avoid cost overruns. Now, the fourth thing is seamless integration. CoConstruct integrates with other tools that builders commonly use, like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration ensures that financials, invoices, and other crucial business aspects are always aligned across your tools. No more jumping between software or manual data entry. It's all synced up for you, making your workflow much more efficient. Lastly, mobile accessibility. The final feature that's crucial for builders is that CoConstruct is fully mobile optimized. Whether you're on the job site or meeting with clients, you can access all project details from your phone or tablet. This means you're always connected, no matter where you are, and you can make updates on the go. And here's the best part. You can try CoConstruct for completely free from the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up. Make sure to check it out and see firsthand how these top 5 features can transform the way you manage your projects. Remember, CoConstruct's features are designed to help builders work smarter, not harder. From project management to seamless integration, these tools are built with you in mind. If you want to get a head start and see what the software can do for you, be sure to take advantage of the free trial using the link below. Don't miss out. Check it out now and get started with CoConstruct today.